In this video we will show you how to create advanced scheduling rules using the configuration tool. We will start by logging into our account, entering our username and password. This time, we will open an existing project that we want to modify or update in order to add advanced programming rules to it. Next, access the Loop Devices section. From there, we will assign a zone to each input device such as detectors, MCP, and input modules, and an activation group to each output device, such as sirens or output modules. Keep in mind that we have 400 zones and 400 groups. This step is essential to prepare the advanced programming logic. In the SND plus FR zone delay section, you can assign a descriptive text to each of the zones. In this way, the name of the zone will be displayed on the screen during an event, which will make it easier for the user or technician to locate it and act more quickly. In the advanced programming section, we find the option to create scenarios. The control unit allows you to configure up to 400 different scenarios, in which we can generate multiple combinations. To begin, we click the More button to add scenario number 1. We then click the More button within the scenario to create the first condition line. This line defines the input condition. By default, Zone 1 will be displayed with Input Type Detector. The drop-down menu allows us to choose between detector, push button, or input module. In the column number of alarms, we can choose the number of alarms between 1 and 4 devices. In the combination column, we can select between two logical options, OR or AND. The OR option is used when we want the condition to be fulfilled if only one of the inputs is activated. On the other hand, with the AND option, the condition will only be fulfilled if all the inputs defined in that combination are activated. Once the input combination has been defined, the next step is to indicate which activation group will be executed when this condition is met. To do this, we simply add an output line within the scenario, where we select the group we wish to activate. In addition, we can apply an activation delay, if desired, or configure an output pulse in seconds. We also have the option of adding more activation lines within the same scenario, in case we want to activate several output groups at the same time. A practical example would be to use an MCP to activate a general evacuation, configuring that, when it is pressed, the sirens, door opening modules, and other evacuation elements are activated simultaneously. Once all the necessary scenarios have been created, we can export the configuration in the usual way. To do this, select the Export to Panel option Then go to the My Downloads folder and click on the Download button. It is important to bear in mind that the file is downloaded in a compressed format, so we will have to extract its content before copying it to the USB that we will use to load the configuration in the control panel.